Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by connecting an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to the Civic's port beneath the dash. This reveals the exact trouble code so you know what to fix. Make sure the battery reads at least 12. 4 volts, low voltage gives false errors, so charge if needed. Once connected, turn the ignition on without starting and read codes, then write them down. You'll act on the most likely causes first, so prioritize stored codes and freeze-frame data before replacing parts. Once you have the code, compare it to sensor live data and expected values. For example, uneven RPMs suggest ignition, while fuel trim offsets point to vacuum or injector issues. Make quick checks. Tighten the gas cap for evap codes, swap a suspect spark plug or coil to see if misfire follows, and clean the mass airflow sensor with proper cleaner. Use a multimeter and live PIDs to confirm voltage and waveform. If values remain out of range, replace the specific component. Once you've repaired or replaced the faulty part, clear the codes and start the engine to let the system relearn. Then drive for 10 to 15 minutes under varied load to complete readiness monitors. Make sure live data stays within expected ranges and that no pending codes reappear. If the check engine light returns, focus on the same code and perform targeted diagnostics, like wiggle tests on wiring and verify ECU ground continuity. If that fails, the key troubleshooting tip: recheck connectors and repair wiring before swapping expensive modules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.